What's going on, guys? I'm back. We're back. Unboxing Maniax here today. We're going to be unboxing the Xbox Wireless Elite controller. So we're just going to be unboxing this one with this knife that we previously unboxed on our channel. It should pop out right here, right now. Okay, so let's just open it real quick. Get it out of the box. And here it is. So then you have all the things that are in the box right here shown. Okay. Just open this right here. Let's see if it's easy to open. Oh, I know which way it has to open. Okay, this way. Here it is. A little bit of a struggle to open. So let's just get this box. Let's just check if there's anything else. Okay, so we've got another box right here. Nothing important. And then some instructions in different languages. That's pretty good. Okay, nothing else. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Let's get the knife out the way. And let's look at the main attraction. The cable. So, let's see if this cable is going to be good quality. But we've got some batteries in here as well. Put these to the side, and the cable itself. So let's just undo this, and here we have the cable. Pretty good quality. It's not like the standard one that you get and then it breaks in about 2 weeks. So yeah, not much I can say about this cable. Kind of like it, good quality. And here is the main attraction. Here it is. Nice and comfortable. Has the grips right here, so does your hands don't slip. And then the pedals right here. And then it has this feature, so these green things control how much you have to press these triggers. So if they're right here down below, the triggers don't go all the way down. So if you play in Forza and you want, gradually go speed up the car, it has to be like this, and then gradually speed up. When you're playing a shooter game, quick shoots, you shoot quicker than most people probably, if they don't have this controller. And then here are two modes. You can manually inside the Xbox, you can change all these controls. You can map A to be this pedal, you can map B to be this pedal, whichever one you want. Like, you can customize this controller, and then mid-game you can change to different settings. So for example, you can change it so in one, if you're playing with a gun, you have quite quick sensitivity, and then you pick up a sniper and you want to change to second one with slow, fast or slow sensitivity, depending on you. Okay, so these joysticks come out. You can customize them for a different one. For example, if you like this one, magnetically, it's nice and simple. Okay, and then you just take it off. You can have taller ones if you prefer playing like this, and then it's up to you, completely up to you, however you want it. You can take this out as well. Simply just replace it with a different one. If I can get this out, give me a second, guys. Oh, this one's kind of hard to take out. If you prefer like that. And of course the joystick. Simple, nice. Take this out, put it in there, swap it out. Nice and simple. You can take these out as well if you don't want to play with them, that's fine, or you can put them back in. Very simple. I'm going to put both of the controllers aside for you to look at, just for a comparison. And get the other one. Okay, so here's one with a sticker, obviously used completely, used this for a while. Here you have two controllers, pretty much the same, right here. Obviously the back is different. This is the same, and the top has a different color, same input, RB, same thing. So this is pretty much how it looks like. The controller itself, with all the paddles. Here we go. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed this one. I'll be trying out this controller and seeing how it's gonna turn out. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.